Okay, so normally the side is red, and when it turns red or green, you're ready to go. And you always want to cut the filament, the end of it, which I've already done. You stick it in the top, and you press the feed button. This isn't a one-handed job. And then you just wait for it to be ready, and it will start coming out the end. It's really slow because I have it on the lowest setting, because I think that works a lot better. Originally, I tried to start it out on the box, which is kind of glossy. I would definitely recommend using a paper because it works a lot better. Because it doesn't just like snap off. It's almost like it's coated with grease, so you know, like cookies come off the sheet easy. This hops off the glossy box easy. Paper works better, or something like that. I'm gonna let my daughter take over though as soon as this starts coming out. It's taking a really long time. Let's go ahead and speed it up a little. Oh, there it goes. Alright, you're not supposed to touch the end, but I don't think so. I just do it anyway. And here goes my daughter, and this is her first time using it. Pretend like you're drawing it. Sometimes just those little strings come off it, but that's only when, you know, you're stopping and going, stopping and going. Like I just did something that was just consecutive, so if you're not stopping and going, you're just like consecutively drawing, then you don't have those little strings. Maybe try not to stop and go.
Oh wait, I'm not doing that. I'm doing a flower that's from Minecraft.
Okay.
It's a blue flower and it's really cool.
It's supposed to be falling over like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how the flower looks in Minecraft.